Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the number line worksheets. So this video just gives us a few slides in the form of worksheets so we can practice doing some exercises on the number line. So the first one, circle the largest number from the following. So here are three separate lists. So all you've got to do is put a circle around the largest number in each list. Now that's pretty easy to understand. If we remember from the lesson, the largest number is the one to the right of all the others. So that's pretty straightforward. Circle the smallest number from the following. So here are three separate lists here. So you've got 5 numbers in each list. So the smallest number on the number line for each of these lists is the one to the left of all the others. Here we have 3 separate lists. Write each list in ascending order. Ascending means to go up. So for each of these lines here, you put the smallest one first, and then you keep going up to the largest one. Write each list in descending order. So with this one, you put the largest one first, and you go all the way through to the smallest one. So that's what descending order means. Now here we have a number line, just to make this exercise a little bit more straightforward, a little bit easier. So calculate the difference between each of the following pairs of numbers. The number line above can be used to assist in this exercise. So we need the difference. So we've got, how many have we got here? We've got 8 separate questions. Now if you remember from the lesson, the difference is the number of gaps between the two numbers. That's really important. You have to remember that word. The number of gaps. Okay, G, A, P, S. So if you focus on the number of gaps between each pair of numbers, you won't go wrong. You will definitely get the answer. So there's no sign when you get difference. It's just a number. It's just the number of gaps. So you don't have to put plus or minus, just the number of gaps only. So this video has given us a few slides so we can practice some exercises on the number line. We've looked at some exercises involving the largest number, the smallest. We've looked at ascending order, descending order, and we've also worked out the difference between two given numbers.